I studied abroad since 2 years. I studied abroad during 2 years. I studied abroad 2 years ago. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to focus on how to use time expressions. Talking about time in English can be tricky, which is why we are going to look at how to use the following time expressions today. We will look at the words ago, for, since, after, before, by, until, from and until, and from and to. I'll also show you some examples to make it easier for you to understand. Let's get started. We are going to begin by looking at ago. We use ago to talk about a specific point in the past. I went to the mall 2 days ago. I visited India 1 year ago. I studied 5 years ago. You'll notice that all these sentences are in the past tense, and please make sure you always keep your sentences with ago in the past tense. Next, let's look at for. For means from the beginning of a period to the end of a period. The structure of a sentence with for is for plus a period of time. A period of time is a duration of time, like 5 minutes, 2 weeks, 6 years. Let's look at some examples. I have been learning English for 10 years. I've been living in England for 5 years. You need to leave the cake in the oven for 30 minutes. For can be used with all tenses. Let's look at another very popular one. Since. We use since to talk about a duration from a point in the past until now when we mention a date. In simple terms, since means from a point in the past until now. I've been learning English since 2005. He has been working since he arrived. I've been studying since last night. Next, we'll look at before and after. Before is a preposition, an adverb, and a conjunction. Before means earlier than a specific point in time. Example, I'll visit before the weekend. She wakes up before dawn. I'll try to be home before dinner. The weekend, dawn, and dinner all refer to specific points in time. After is simply the opposite. After means later than a specific point in time. Example, I'll visit after the weekend. She wakes up after dawn. I'll be home after dinner. Again, the weekend, dawn, and dinner refer to specific points in time. Let's look at by. By means not later than a specific time or at or before a specific time. Example, I'll be home by 5 p.m. This means I will be home at 5 p.m. or even before 5 p.m. but I won't be home after 5 p.m. Until. This means no later than a specific point in time. Example, I'll be at work until 5 p.m. This means I will be at work no later than 5 p.m. At 5 p.m., I'll pack my things and leave the office. Other examples are, I was up until 3 a.m. I have until midnight to complete this assignment. From, until, and from to are used in the same way. They mean between 2 points in time. Example, I have a meeting from 9 a.m. until 10 a.m. or I have a meeting from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The mall is open from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. The mall is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And that's it, guys. Today we had a very quick and useful lesson on how to use time phrases in English. This lesson is perfect for everyday English and, of course, conversational English. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become. If you learned something from this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and this is Ashley Hale with Level Up English signing out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.